In 1947, a small town in Oregon faced a peculiar challenge. A massive whale carcass washed ashore, and the townsfolk were puzzled about its disposal. Ingeniously, they decided to use dynamite, hoping the explosion would scatter the remains into the ocean. Onlookers gathered, anticipating a spectacle. The blast was tremendous, but chunks of whale rained down, damaging cars and leaving a lingering stench. This bizarre event taught a valuable lesson in resource management and planning. Ever wondered how history's oddities shape our future? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.